Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn Oracle startup and shutdown command using SQL Plus. These commands are very important for Oracle DPS, application support engineers, and also frequent asked in interviews. We will understand different startup stages, shutdown modes, and when to use them. Let's start with practical. Go to CMD and type SQL Plus and connect with your database, Oracle database. Right now my database is in shutdown mode. So it is showing me to connect it to an ideal instance. We will first check the user. My current user is sys. Startup and shutdown operation can only be performed by a user with DBA privileges. So please note that you will able to connect with this DBA privileges user. Startup means starting the Oracle database instance and opening the database so user can access data. Oracle start happen in three stages: no mount mount stage, and open stage. In no mount stage, we only start the instance, which will allocate the memory and start background processes. In this, we can't access control files. In mount state, we can only read control files in this, but we can't read data files. In open mode, data files and read logs opened and user can access the database. It is open in read and write mode database. Let's see them in practical way. Firstly, we will go through with startup nomount command. Startup nomount command. In this Oracle instance only started, which will allocate memories and started background processes. This mode is used for creating database and recreating control file. If we lose control file, then we can recreate this control file by keeping the database in startup no mount state. The next state is our mount state. We can directly go with database mount command, alter database mount command to go in the mount state. We can check the status also. In this state, we can read control files, and this state is used for media recovery purpose and changing archive log mode. You can change the location of the archive mode and keep the database in archive mode or not. We will see in another video. We can directly open database by alter database open command. It will make the database open. We can see the startup command separately by doing it shutdown. Now our instance status is in open state. We can do shutdown and we will see the separate command. Startup mount. This is the second state. We bring the database with alter database mount command. Now we can directly go to the mount state with startup command. Now our database in mount state. Now we can start open the database directly with startup command. We only need nothing need to be mentioned after startup. We simply fire startup command to open the database for the user in read and write mode. Now our database is available to all user for access. Now we will go through the shutdown commands. There are four modes in shutdown: shutdown normal, shutdown immediate, shutdown transactional, and shutdown abort. We will discuss one by one. In shutdown normal. In this, the oracle will wait for all user to disconnect. In this current scenario, I am only the user, so oracle does not wait and it only shut down my users. If any connection is present from application side, then oracle will wait to disconnect that session. After the connection is disconnected, then it will only shut down the database. It is mainly used in production database where critical transactions and anything is running. Second is our transactional. First, we start the database. Now we will cover shutdown transactional. In this, the oracle is waiting for active transaction to complete. Once all the active transaction which are currently running in the database is complete, then it will only shut down the database. Otherwise, it will wait. Now we will cover shutdown immediate command. First, we are going to start the database. Shutdown immediate is our main command, which is mostly used. It will automatically terminate all the connected users and roll back all the active transactions and keep the database in clean shutdown. So mainly when our application is stopped, we are 100% sure that no transaction is running and we have any maintenance plan activity. We are generally using shutdown immediate command. Shutdown immediate command terminate all the users, roll back active transactions, and it keep the database clean shutdown. There is one more command that is shutdown abort. Suppose our database is in hang, we are not able to shut down our database with above commands. Then we will use shutdown abort command. It immediately shut down the database, but it is not a clean database shutdown. When we again start the database, it requires instance recovery on next startup. The This command is only used in emergency purpose if we are not able to shut down with all the above these command. Generally, we use shutdown immediate and shutdown transactional depend on our activities and our work. If you are in banking domain, you want to shut down the any transactional database, then you generally use shutdown transactional command. In this video, we learned Oracle startup and shutdown commands. Startup stages like nomount, mount, open, and shutdown options such as normal, immediate, transactional, and abort. These commands are mandatory knowledge for every Oracle DBA. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.